Hey everyone, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to give you latest update from JNTUH about results. So for which year, which semester and which course, all these details I'm going to cover in this video. So stay tuned for that. And if you're watching the videos without subscribing, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any update from JNTUH. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So today on 4th of January 2022, JNTUH Jawaharlal Nehru Technology University of Hyderabad have been released the results for B.tech third year first semester and B.pharmacy for 1 September 2021 supplementary examination RCRV recounting reevaluation results have been published. So last date for applying for challenge evaluation is 11th of January 2022. So for B.tech 3-1 and for B.pharmacy 1-1, the exams conducted in the month of September 2021 supplementary examination. So for that they have released the results for RC and RV. So those who have applied for re-evaluation and recounting results have been announced. You can check in official website JNTUH.results. And if you're not satisfied with this RC RV results, you can also apply for challenge evaluation. The last date to apply for challenge evaluation is 11th of January 2022. So if you're not satisfied, you can definitely go with challenge evaluation. For that also they will release the results after applying. The latest update from JNTUH about results. So hope you guys find this video informative. For more updates like this, subscribe to the channel and you can also follow us on Instagram. Link in the description box. Thank you for watching.